Hi there. In our previous video, we looked at the private modifier. In this video, we're going to be looking at the internal modifier and the public modifier. What's the difference between the private and the internal modifier? The private only gives access. You only have access to the content of the private method within the class it was declared. Right. The internal modifier do not only give you access to everything within the demo class in this case, but you also have access to everything within the demo library. All right. So that demo library here. Okay. To test this, we're going to create a class within this demo library and see if we can have access to it, and if we can also have access to the private method as well. So I'm going to come up here. I will create a new class. So that will be add new class file. I'm going to call it test demo. Let's call it test demo. Okay, test demo class. Yeah, that's it. We're just going to be using it to test it. So it automatically created a method called test demo. So what we want to see now is to check if we can gain access to the internal demo method, right? So what do we do? So the first thing we need to do, we need to create an instance of the class called access demo for us to be able to have access to the methods in it. So how do we do that? We go access demo class. So we just call it, I just choose one of these, demo, it doesn't matter. So we're going to say equal to new, the new keyword, and we're going to have the class there again. Access demo. This is the way you create an instance of a class. And so that's it there, and that's it there. So now let's double check to see if we can gain access to our internal method. So I'm going to go demo dot in. That's it there. We have access to the internal demo method. We also have access to the protected internal demo. And of course, we also have access to the public demo. But have you noticed we do not have access to the private one? You know, obviously, because the private demo, it's only exclusively reserved for within the class that it was declared in. All right. Protected modifier. Protected modifier is synonymous with inheritance in programming. It can be accessed only by codes within the same class. For instance, in this case, the access demo, the protected here, right? All the other methods here can access the protected method, you know, so long as it's within the same class. And the other option will be a class that inherits from where the protected method was created. What do I mean? If we create another class that inherits from access demo, then they will be able to access protected methods. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go to the access modifier program up there. I will add a new class. I will call that class protected. I'll just call it protected demo. Okay. Let's see. And new. Okay. So now we have the public class protected demo. It automatically created another method for me there. So let me see what I can do. So first of all, I need to kind of access. I need to be able to access this this file that is the demo, the access demo. And for me to be able to do that, I need to first of all add the access modifier here. I need to use the using statement, which is the using statement there, so that I can have access to it because it's another program. All right. So we are using demo library. All right. So demo library. That's it. So using demo library, then we will now be able to inherit the class in demo library, which is access. Otherwise, we won't be able to have access to it. So that's it. So this just indicates that we inherit all the properties, all the information that we have under the inside the access demo. So this is the only way you can actually access the protected demo. So I'm coming here now, and let me just say protected. You can see that we can actually access the protected demo here. All right. So that explains one way to get your protected demo. So in summary, basically, protected methods or fields can only be accessed within the class it was created, or another class that inherits the class it was created. I hope that makes sense. Talk to you soon. Bye.